Petunia Natural Park, the of the nation's wonderland. Stretching before us, we see a vast panorama of nature's panorama, beautiful virgin territory, solid rugged mountains. Well,
You think you were a YouTube comedian?
anyhow, Petunia Natural Park. Here, roaming at wild animal life. The elk, the buffalo, such as the screwballest common tourist, or the common tourist. Let us go with them into this fairyland.
Enough is enough!
As we drive a few miles eastward, that's right, eastward, that's right, eastward, that's right, eastward, that's right, eastward, that's right. We approach the giant redwood, towering above the giant redwood, driving through this tree. I think perhaps we took the wrong detour. These guys
are so busted.
But the granddaddy of them all is crap. Who misses? Now, as we join our tour to follow the mountain highway, we come upon a grizzly.
It's no big
Grizzly. These grizzlies are a very friendly lot, and the many candid camera fans who visit the park are always willing to pose for these grizzlies. He must dislike this fellow. Careful. All settled in camp. I wonder wherever Noah. No, not here. No, not here. A mother bear shaking down, He must dislike publicity. Hello.
Steven!
Why don't you mind your own business?
Okay, from now on, you're on.
Why don't you mind your own business?
Ah, that.
Why don't you
In my ear, you breathe a flame.
Mama's nature.
I just don't have my ears on. Hurry. Shh. Here she comes.
No, Mama, don't touch. No, Mama, don't touch. No, Mama, don't touch. No. Looks like we have.
Nom 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 nom.
Oh, that's no way to treat a guest. Cap. One little olive. And as the day comes to an end, draws its curtain over the scene. Curtain, all is in law. Curtain, all is in drought. Solitude. Now for a good night's rest, broken only by the chirp of a fat cricket.
Hey, stop that!
Such as morning finds America packed and on their way home. Tourist. Back.
You're not freaking funny!
Fetch the captain a pail of water for the car. And remember, for the car.
What's this? Remember what the captain said, boys.
For the car.
Looks like trouble. Here's some nice crap. Some for lip. And sus.
Bye.